end of life. So that's good. Okay, we're going to do stroking the bird's tail. Start here again. Inhale. Everything expands. Elbows get heavy and everything drops. Exhale. Inhale up again, expanding. Inflate our little hot air balloon self. And then and I'm going to move one foot out a little bit, a little wider stance for all of this. Inhale. Everything sinks. Think of the sinking in the back. You'll be able to relax your legs without any stress on the knees. Yeah. We're going to come over here. We're going to embrace the moon. Right here. As I exhale, one hand goes down, one hand goes out. We're just going to do this, parting the horse's wild mane, or combing out the horse's tangled mane. Inhale, exhale. We'll do it on the other side. Brace it over the moon here. Exhale, the thing drops down and floats away. Inhale around. Exhale. Everything just slowly release, relax. Come over here, I'm going to inhale and embrace the moon. This time as I exhale, one hand drops down, the other one floats away. Inhale right there. Inhale a little bit more. This one comes up with it. And they stroke the bird's tail. Now as they stroke, I'm going to have my hip over here, come out to make it easier on my knees. I get over the weights on this one, I'm going to inhale up. As I inhale, one arm continues around. Up in the rafters, it finds a little bird. You bring the bird down as I exhale. And inhale. Give the little bird a push out the door. And inhale again. Need more energy, so I'm going to spiral my energy, my dantian, and give it a bigger push. Over here, embrace the moon on this side. Exhale, one hand drops down, the other one goes away, but here I'm going to inhale, it comes up for ward off. And inhale again. Stroking the giant tail, the peacock. Inhale right here. Comes down here, I have a little bird. Roll it around, inhale. Exhale away. Bird wasn't enough for the bird to get out the door. So we're going to spiral our hips, much more power and energy, and go. We made it out. Over here. We'll just do it, I won't talk.